Good morning, students. So today we are going to summarize our chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. And today we are going to briefly cover the topics of fraction part. Okay. So let's start our class for today. And first of all, we should know what a fraction is. Whenever you are having a chocolate, and if I divide that chocolate into equal parts, so one of its part is known as fraction. Or if I am having a pizza and if I'll divide that pizza into equal parts, so one of its part or two together is known as its fraction. So fraction is whenever you take a part of a whole thing and that whole thing should be divided into equal parts. Okay. Fraction can be represented as a upon b, and here a and b are whole numbers, and a, that is number above the line, is numerator and number below the line is denominator, and all together it is known as fraction. Okay, fractions are of different types. Proper fraction is that fraction in which numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. Here you can see few examples. Here 3 by 4, numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger, or I can say 1 upon 7. In 1 upon 7, numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. So these are proper fractions, and its reverse is improper fraction, in which denominator is smaller and numerator is bigger. Okay, here you can see few more examples. Here numerator is larger and denominator is smaller, so this is improper fraction, right? Okay, mixed fractions are made up of whole part and proper fractions, and basically improper fractions are those in which numerator is greater. Those can be converted into mixed fractions only. Okay, and mixed fraction is made up of whole part and a proper fraction. Together it is known as mixed fraction. Decimal fractions are those fractions in which denominator is either 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, and so on. So all these type of fraction is known as decimal fraction. What are like fractions? Like fractions are those fractions in which denominator is same. Here you can see all the denominators are 11. So these are like fractions. And if denominators are different, then those are unlike fractions. Okay. Unit fractions are those in which numerator is 1. Unit means 1. So whenever my numerator is 1, it is a unit fraction. Unlike fraction, I have already told you in which denominators are different. Now what are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are the fractions in which value of fractions remain unchanged. मतलब value change नहीं होती है, and you can get a equivalent fraction of any fraction by either multiplying or dividing both numerator and denominator with same number. या तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से, या डिवाइड कर दो, तो जो भी आपको एक फ्रैक्शन मिलेगा वो भी इक्वलेंट होगा पहले वाले के, राइट? हियर यू कैन सी फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. 1/2. हियर आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद 2, so I'll get this number, this fraction. So they, both of these are equivalent. If I multiply both numerator and denominator with 100, this will become 100, this will become 200. So 100 upon 200 is also an equivalent fraction. How can you check whether two fractions are equivalent or not? You can cross multiply them. Here I can cross multiply. 4 will be multiplied with 1 and 2 will be multiplied with 2. You will get equal results. Okay. Here I am dividing with same number, numerator and denominator. So I'll get number, both of these are equivalent. Now, what is lowest term? Lowest term is that fraction in which numerator and denominator have no common factor. Here you can see I am having a fraction 3 upon 5. Numerator is 3, denominator is 5. Do they have any common factor with which both of these are divisible? I don't think so. Except one, they are not having any common factor. So these are what? Lowest term. Lowest form. If I talk about 24 upon 40, both 24 and 40 divisible by 2 also. both of them are divisible by 4 also, both of them are divisible by 8 also. So these are not simplest form. I can convert this number into simplest form by dividing with any of these three numbers, both numerator and denominator. Okay, so basically whenever you are having fraction in which numerator and denominator having HCF as 1, that means no common factor is there except 1, then it is the lowest form. Okay, okay, how do we convert improper fraction into mixed one? Simple. If I write an improper fraction, so its numerator will be always greater than denominator. Here you can see 7 upon 3 is improper fraction. Here this means 7 is divided by 3. So you do the usual division and you will write the answer in a particular way. How? You will write the result as quotient will come here as whole part, remainder will come in numerator, and my denominator always remains same. Okay, क्या किया मैंने? क्वेश्चन तो लिख दिया हमारे होल पार्ट की जगह मिक्स फ्रैक्शन की पोजीशन पे, हमारा रिमाइंडर आ गया न्यूमरेटर में एंड डिनोमिनेटर रिमेन्स सेम. एंड इफ आई कन्वर्ट मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. जब भी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन दे रखा होता है इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करना होता है तो डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम रहता है. जैसे इससे पहले वाले कन्वर्जन में जब हम इम्प्रॉपर टू मिक्सड कर रहे थे तभी भी डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम रहेगा. ओके, what you will write in numerator, you multiply this denominator with whole part, 4 to the 8, and add the numerator in it. 8 plus 3 11, so that will go in numerator. So mixed fraction is this and its improper fraction is this. If you want to compare fractions, there are three cases. First, when denominators are same, compare their numerators. Greater the numerator, greater will be the fraction. When denominators are different and numerators are same, so compare the denominators. Smaller the denominator, greater the fraction. Both examples are here. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो क्या चेक करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर्स. न्यूमरेटर जिसका बड़ा है वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा है. यहाँ न्यूमरेटर ही सेम है तो क्या चेक करेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर्स. जिसका डिनोमिनेटर जितना छोटा है वो फ्रैक्शन उतना बड़ा है. ओके, बट अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर बोथ आर डिफरेंट, if both of them are different, neither the numerator is same nor the denominator is same, then what we will do? We will convert them into like fractions. Remember, like fractions in which denominators are same. How do we do that? By taking LCM of both the denominators. You will take LCM of both the denominators, 4 and 6. Its LCM will be 12. Now you have to write the equivalent fraction of both of them to make their denominators as 12. Okay, so here 3 by 4, I have to make it write its equivalent fraction in which denominator is 12. By which number I can multiply this? 3, because 4 3s are 12. So for equivalent fractions, remember you have to multiply with same number in numerator and denominator both. 3 से ऊपर multiply करना पड़ेगा. I have to multiply with 3 only. You will get 9 by 12. Again, my next fraction is 5 by 6. Again, the denominator should be 12 only. By which number I can multiply? 2. So I have to multiply with 2 in numerator also. I will get 10 upon 12. Now both of them are like. You can compare. जब भी denominator same होता है क्या check करते हैं? Numerators. Which numerator is greater? This one. So this fraction is greater. Okay. तो फ्रैक्शन के कंपैरिजन के लिए 3 केस हो गए. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो तो चेक न्यूमरेटर करना है, अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम हो तो चेक डिनोमिनेटर करना है, अगर कुछ भी सेम ना हो तो डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन इज ऑल्सो ऑलमोस्ट सेम एज दैट ऑफ कंपैरिजन, बिकॉज जब भी हमारे पास लाइक फ्रैक्शंस नहीं होते हैं. व्हाट आर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस? इन विच डिनोमिनेटर are same. So those fractions in which denominator are same. Here you can see denominator are same. So So these are like, you can directly add or subtract like fractions. Here I only have to add the numerator and denominator remains same. Here denominator again is same, so it remains same in answer also, and I only have to subtract the numerator. If these can be converted into or reduced, can be written into reduced form, you can write them. Okay, so this is simple one. But what will we do if denominators are different and they are unlike fractions? Then the same procedure, we have to make the denominators like or same by taking their LCM. LCM लेंगे दोनों का 8 and 4, their LCM will be 8 only. So this fraction already got 8 in its denominator. No need to write its equivalent fraction. ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. But यहाँ पे denominator 8 नहीं है. So you have to write its equivalent fraction in which its denominator will be 8. You will multiply with 2, both numerator and denominator, you will get 6 by 8. Now this and this, both are having same denominators. You can subtract them. Denominator again remains same and you just subtract numerators. Okay. What about multiplication? Multiplication, you are having two cases. When you multiply a whole number with a fraction, basically whole number can also be written in the form of fraction. How? When a whole number is given to you like this one, every whole number has 1 by default their denominator. So 3 can be written as 3 upon 1. If it would be 33, it can be written as 33 upon 1. Okay, so हर whole number को हम fraction की form में लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? नीचे denominator में 1 लेंगे. Okay, so if you want to multiply a whole number with a fraction, just write in the form of fraction first by putting 1 in denominator, and then there are two ways to do multiplication. Either you can solve them or simplify them if any of the number is cutting with each other, but one number should be in numerator, another one should be in denominator for simplifying. Either you can do that first and then later multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, or you can first multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and then you can reduce them. Okay, so here I am multiplying numerator with numerator 9, denominator with denominator. They cannot be reduced further. But in this example, 6 can be written as 6 upon 1. Now you can see 6 and 8. For simplifying, in case of multiplication, remember one number should be in numerator, another one should be in denominator for cutting or simplifying. Both of them are divisible with 2. So it will go 3 times, it will go 4 times. You can cut them up. Now multiply numerator 5 with this remaining numerator, that is 3, you will get 15, and 4 into 1 will be 4. तो या तो पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लो न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से, आंसर लिख लो और फिर सिंप्लीफाई कर दो, या फिर पहले सिंप्लीफाई कर लो और फिर आंसर लिख दो, मल्टीप्लाई करके न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, but for simplifying, remember once again, one number should be in numerator, another one should be in denominator. Okay, here you cannot cut this 3 and 3 because दोनों ही numerator में है. You cannot cut them. Okay, next, when you have to multiply a fraction with fraction, rule is again same. numerator को numerator से multiply करो, denominator को denominator से, और reduce कर दो. ठीक है, हो रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे जैसे reduce मैंने पहले नहीं किया, बाद में आंसर निकालने के बाद उनको रिड्यूस फॉर्म में लिखा है, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में या लोएस्ट फॉर्म में, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, हियर आई हैव जस्ट सिंप्लीफाइड देम फर्स्ट और फिर डायरेक्ट न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई किया, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. इट्स अप टू यू, in whichever way you are comfortable with, you can do in that way. Next, when you have to multiply mixed fraction, multiplication वाला process same है, you have to multiply in same way, but first of all you just have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. बस एक स्टेप क्या ऐड हुआ है इसमें कि मिक्स्ड को इम्प्रॉपर में फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट करना है, फिर जैसे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं वैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. एंड हाउ डू वी कन्वर्ट मिक्स्ड इनटू इम्प्रॉपर? मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर विद होल पार्ट and add numerator. 5 3s are, sorry, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13, and denominator remains same. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 is in numerator, 2 remains same. Now multiply as you multiply two fractions. Okay. Now division part. Division is simple, it is more of the multiplication thing only, but only one thing is there. In case of division, always remember first fraction remains same. You turn division into the sign of multiplication and you have to reciprocate the second fraction. What is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, you can say? Reciprocal is just the exchange of numerator and denominator. Here, if I exchange both of these numbers together with each other, 4 will go in numerator, 1 will go in denominator, then it will be the reciprocal of 1 by 4. Here you can see 4 by 1 I have written. So पहला नंबर सेम रहता है, पहला फ्रैक्शन सेम रहता है, डिवीजन चेंज होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, और दूसरे फ्रैक्शन का होता है रेसिप्रोकल, दैट मीन्स exchange of numerator and denominator. Here also you can see first number remains same, division turns into multiplication and reciprocal of this one, that means 5 will go here and 4 comes down, then multiply as usual. Okay. Now last topic, that is simplification. I will not elaborate or give an example of this this simplification, because we have covered that thing in our chapter, in our video, but today we are only just explaining, I am briefing you the simple thing that we have covered. If you are having any confusion in the simplification part of fraction, you can check the video that I have uploaded. Okay, so just let's go to this point, that how do we simplify fractions if more than one operator is given to you. For example, एक फ्रैक्शन का क्वेश्चन है जिसमें मेरे को मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी दे रखा है, डिवीजन भी दे रखा है, एडिशन भी दे रखा है. So in which order I have to solve the operators? We follow BODMAS rule. You must have heard in your earlier classes what BODMAS is. So BODMAS basically is an acronym which means this is the priority list in which you solve operators. Okay, so here first of all, if in these type of questions, if bracket is given to you, will solve whatever is given to you within the brackets. Okay, so here you will solve brackets first, then off. Off means multiplication only. Off operator जो होता है वो multiplication के ही यूज होता है, लेकिन ऑफ की प्रायोरिटी हमेशा मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रायोरिटी से ज़्यादा होती है. दैट मीन्स इफ for example I have to give 1/2 of 4/7 multiplication 3/4. Okay, so if this is the question, I have to simplify it. You can see the priority of is greater than multiplication, so I will solve both of these first, because their priority is more, because of operator is there in between them. Okay, so I will solve them first. Of is replaced with multiplication only. Okay, we will solve them first, and whatever the answer will be, then we will multiply that with 3/4. Okay, I hope you got it. So priority is first solve brackets, then off operator, then division operator, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. And in brackets also you are having a priority list. First of all, you have to solve bar, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and then square bracket. Okay, I hope this briefing of topics is clear to you and you are able to remember all the points that we have covered through this chapter. If not, once again go through the videos and clear your topics whichever is not clear to you, or you can ask me questions. Tomorrow we are going to cover all the points of decimal part. Okay, then we will end up this chapter and we will start a new chapter. Thank you.